up you too. This is Nancy from yeezysgocom. See you again. Today let's show you the new shoes, the new Ultra Boost. Here the shoes, the bird nest. Here the box, you can see. Right. Okay, now let's show the shoes. Here. Wow, looks cool, right? The size, the back, and you can see the pattern, and especially this design. Okay, the button. Okay, now let's check the details. First, this one you can see the shoes. First you can see the shoelace. Right here, the shoelace. You can see, check here. The this part is very special, right? You can see the shoelace is different other shoes, right? You can check. And here, the pattern. Wow, it looks cool, right? Just like the bird nest, right? Okay, looks cool, right? And the whole shoes is all black. Okay, now let's check the side. See the shoes, and here the shoe hole, right? You can check, and here you can see the Adidas logo. Cool. And the shoelace through the whole shoes, right? You can check. Okay, let's check the back, and the pattern is also the bird nest. Looks cool. The boost is the black. Okay, now the other side, you can see so many shoe holes, right? I think the design is very cool. Do you like? Okay, now let's check this one. You can see the pattern. Check shoelace. Wow. Size. You can check the detail pictures on my site yeezysgocom. The back, very beautiful, right? Other side. Okay, now let's check the inside. Get out the insole. Here the insole, you can see the Ultra Boost nest, right? The back. Wow, very beautiful, right? I love the. Okay, now let's check the inside. You can see, cool, right? This part is blue, and the size tag, very high quality. You can check. Nice. Okay. Do you like? If you like, you can go through my website yeezysgocom. Thank you for watching. See you next time.